Hi there, look at this amazing oil that I made for a lot of us that are suffering from hair damage, hair growth, hair growth issues and hair loss. So this oil is the best oil and I'm going to show you how I simply made it. So we start with the garden. So this is how my garden looks like. I'm working on it at the moment and I have my aloe vera, two aloe vera plants in there, and I'm going to go ahead and take 2 leaves from it because I want to make enough oil for at least a month. So once I'm done taking the leaves from the plant itself, I usually leave them for at least 15 minutes because there's a certain substance, like a yellow substance, that comes out at the bottom where you just cut the leaf off from the plant. So I just let it drain out, and once it's done after 15 minutes, I come and cut again at the bottom, as you can see now in the video. So right there, I cut it, and I also cut the top part of it. So once I've cut those two ends, I just go ahead and rinse the whole aloe vera, and now at this point I just take out the two sides of the pointed angles or the thorn kind of area, and you might want to wear gloves if you're really scared of the thorns hitting you. And then from here I'll just simply go ahead and take my cutting board and just cut them in just rough chops so that we can continue to the next step. You could actually just put the aloe vera the first way I cut it in the pan, or you can go ahead and cut it this way, because as for me, I just want to get all the juice, nice good things from the aloe vera. So I'm making sure that I cut them into a bit tinier pieces again, and not only do I do that, I go ahead and open it up so that the oil can just infuse with these all nice ingredients or nice juicy particles and everything that is in the aloe vera plant. So let's go ahead. So once I'm done, I move over to the next part, which is heating the stove. I put on my pan. You can use a saucepan, anything of your choice. You can use a pan. Don't mind the background of that stove. I haven't cleaned it yet. It's still in the morning, so I haven't done much. So at this point I'm just using olive oil, as you can see, the one from Food Lovers, nothing fancy. And you can go ahead and add any oils of your choice, but I just use olive oil. You can put your castor oils and all those things, but for me they break my hair because my hair does not like either hair food or anything. We just use this is the only oil actually that I can work with for now. So you don't want your oil to heat up so much because we're not frying at this point. Just when it's a bit heated, then you continue adding your your aloe vera. At this point, you can see everything is boiling nicely together. We're not frying, we're boiling because the aloe vera is releasing now its gel. So, and it's turning into watery kind of consistency. So you would say it's water and the oil together. So I'll keep stirring it until it's a bit on the brownish side. So let's just keep watching. So this whole thing is really good for you if you just had especially if you have natural hair. I really highly recommend this for anyone with natural hair, because by natural hair I mean natural and relaxed, no chemicals in the hair. Because sometimes, like, and I had an experience last week. I straightened my hair, and my hair, I had to wash it like 3-4 times for it to go back to its original texture. So it was a whole struggle. So what I did is I tried to wash 3-4 times, but the last time I washed, if it's the third or the fourth, I can't remember, I had to use aloe vera. So I had to do it as a pre-pull first, and then when I washed my hair, originally went back, and I was so happy, I was so relieved, because I was so worried and scared, because this is why I hardly put heat in my hair. Like, I don't put heat on my hair, like, all in all. So this is how it looks like at the moment, and this is where we want to, you know, kind of stop, because everything is well incorporated. So yes, let's go back to the story. So my hair was very damaged. Like, at the point where my sister had to do my hair, you could see at the bottom, like, some hair will, you know, when you, like, your hair is like a bit cut, you see that in between your hair's cut is shorter than the rest. So that was the cause, the heat. So I had to do this, and for my hair to be all okay. And the second way, the reason that you can use this aloe vera is when your hair is just falling off, like after giving birth, because I did experience that, and I believe it's all the mamas. Let me know in the comment section if you also experience that your hair kind of falls off. So this bottle is a period bottle for my baby and I had some that just got finished, so that's why I'm going to drain in again. So after you boiled a bit, you need to put it aside, let it cool down completely cool down. Then you want to put it in in an airtight container. So I'm using my baby spirit, you know, I'm reusing. So that container at the bottom is just to make sure that whatever spills in it. Right, some benefits of this aloe vera plant is strengthening the hair. Like I've said, it can work down or break down the fat, in case you have too much fat in your head from other products. It can balance that and other things. I'll leave some benefits on the screen. And guys, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I need you to help me reach the goal before end of this year, hopefully by September. So if you can lovely subscribe to this channel, so that others can get to see you, give YouTube a reason to push my videos or my channel to a lot more audience like you guys that are watching this. Please make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you click the like button, make sure that you share the video you like, and leave a comment, and most important, you turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my video. The moment I just upload a video, you'll be one of the first ones to get to see the video and enjoy it. So guys, this is basically what I'm doing. I'm just sieving out the oil. You know, you see, you don't need a lot of things. It's just things in your house. So airtight container. And I would also like to warn you, it's like this oil, it's a bit smelly, like it will be more on the aloe vera side. If you don't like that aloe vera smell, you can now put in your essential oils just to neutralize the smell. Just your favorite essential oil. You can go get these in Pep. They are, I think they're about $40, or they within $40, below $40. Thank you so much guys for watching until this far. So yeah, this is how the oil looks like. And if it was yours, you could add olive oil, you could add any other oil of your choice, you know, any oil that works with your hair. Because for me, like I said earlier, oils are not a thing for my hair. So at this point, there's some that weigh a little bit of oil in the container that I was talking about, the one that was at the bottom in there. So I'll just go ahead and just put it on my head for a while. So basically what I do is I just rinse off my hair you know, at least each week. So you can put this oil at least 2, 3, 4 times, however you feel like, and then as long as you're washing your hair each week. And I do my wash days like Fridays or Saturdays, so that's how you can use it. Let me know if you want to see how I use aloe vera to wash my hair. So comment pre-poo in the comment section so that we can confuse whoever didn't watch the whole video and went to the comment section first. So comment pre-poo so that I can show you my wash routine, what I do, and how I use my aloe vera to make sure that my hair is well taken care of. That's why my hair grew a bit faster and a lot healthy. Like, it's very strong, you know, you can see the healthiness in the hair. So guys, I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe.